Hello, I'm Hem Tilwa, and this is my project for ES116. This is a basic autonomous cleaning robot. The goal of this robot is to move around while avoiding obstacles using simple electronics and sensors. While it doesn't have active cleaning components, it demonstrates the core logic used behind such technologies. Robot vacuum cleaners are often expensive and use complex technologies. I wanted to create a simple, low cost prototype that could navigate its surrounding and avoid obstacles. The robot uses basic logic and scanning to simulate the movement and behavior of an actual robot. This prototype is built using the Arduino Uno microcontroller, which acts as the brain of this prototype. We also have the L298N motor driver, which controls the two 12-volt DC motors and tells it when to go forward, right, or left. For the scanning part of the system, we have ultrasonic sensor mounted on top of the servo motor, which rotates 0 to 180 degree to scan the left and right of the surrounding. Powering this all are three 3.7 volt lithium ion battery, which provide around 11.1 volt when connected in series, which keeps this thing powered. Here's the online circuit version of the prototype. The ultrasonic sensor sees forward, and whenever the object gets closer, as you can see, the servo motor rotates right and left to scan the right and left side. And as you can see, when it scans right and left, the motors stop, and then one of the motors turn one way and the other one turns the other way to take a turn. This all is controlled by a driver and powered using the battery.
Hi there, we are going to explain the code for our robot's movement and obstacle detection system using Arduino. Here is the function we use read distance CM that sends a pulse through the trick pin and measures the time it takes for the echo to return echo pin. This time is converted into distance in centimeters for detection. This and in the next step we use the functions like move forward, move backward. It is for the robot's movement. And we also used another function here, slow servo move. It helps us to slowly move the servo from one angle to another, giving the robot time to scan its environment thoroughly. In the last, we used the loop function. The robot first scans the front by setting the servo to 85 degrees. If there is no obstacle in front greater than 30 centimeters, it moves forward. That's all. Here is the total code.
The car runs forward until it encounters the wall. Then it stops, as you can see. It turns right and left to scan the readings of right and left, and it turns towards the side which has no space. It again stops when it encounters the wall, and it repeats the process. This way, it never crashes into anything. It also has real-time obstacle detection, as you can see. The robot is a basic prototype with several limitations. It doesn't have any active cleaning mechanisms like vacuum motor or brush, so it doesn't perform real cleaning tasks. It also lacks advanced navigation features such as planning, environment mapping, or memory of the previously visited areas. The obstacle avoidance is also very simple. It can only decide between turning left or right based on the distance reading. Despite these limitations, this project helped me gain a strong understanding of how different hardware components like drivers and sensors and servo microcontrollers integrate together and work and form a real system.